Hello YouTube, it is I again. Just got done gluing bits of this together. Letting it sit over there and cure. It's gonna need some time to cure, so we're not touching that right now. What we're doing today is, you know how I did my flick glider? Well, this is a lot simpler than that. You like my drawing of winging ground effect? Really small. I could have fun messing about with that either way. So what you want to do, I don't know if I'll be able to get this camera right for y'all. You want to cut approximately a parallel strip of paper, cardstock, but it's better. You don't need a big piece. This is way simpler than the flick glider. You'll see. All right, and then parallel that way, so the end is square, approximately. All right. There it is. We're done. Now we're not done. I lied. What I like to do at this point, that's about the middle, right? So I'm going to be flicking on the right side. So I want to twist it approximately in the middle. You can do a semi-aggressive twist. I mean, that's what I mean by semi-aggressive. And then what I like to do is take the rotor tips and twist them in the opposite way of that initial twist, just a little bit. So you end up with something that all right. See if I can get some flights for you. How am I going to do this? You'd think I'd be prepared, but I'm never prepared. So, yeah, deal with it. Alright. So you want to balance on your fingertip. Line it up approximately the way it needs to go. Get your finger ready to smack into it where you want to smack into it. Yeah. It didn't really go up this time. I didn't flick it quite right. Let me put the camera somewhere else. Maybe I could get a where do I want to go with y'all? You know, just put you right over here. Put you right over here, and you right over here. I'll flick it at y'all. Give it a little bit more twist. Perhaps it wasn't aggressive enough. That was a bad flick. That was also a bad flick. This is something that I don't make often, so Jesus Christ. What am I doing? Shouldn't be this difficult. I don't remember it being this difficult. Nope. You know what? Maybe it does have too much twist. So I'm going to try flattening that down. seems to want to be unstable really quick after it's left my finger. So that could be due to the twist being too aggressive. Wow. I hit the camera.